So when it comes to case management, one thing we're excited to show you, and I'll hand it over to Rishabh in a second, is when it comes to case management, this is where app builders are spending a huge amount of their time. And we did a bunch of user interviews last year, and maybe some of you on this call were present for those interviews. And if you were, thank you so much. But you spent a huge amount of your time constantly context switching in the product in the past. So you would write a question like name or date of birth. You would then leave the form, go to a separate case management page, wire up that property as a case property you want to save, come back. Hopefully you did it cross your fingers and hope you did it right, and then keep building your form. Now we've removed that jumping. You don't need to do this back and forth between a case management page and your form builder anymore. You can now just map a case property directly from a question and keep rolling right there in the form builder. And I know that this sounds super small, but for somebody building a 50 question or 100 question form and 80 of them should be case properties, it's maybe an hour, it's maybe 3 hours of your time back that you could be spending doing something else. So instead of talking about it, I'll let you all see it. So Rishabh, take it away. I'll let you show what this looks like in the product.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Kai. Just give me 1 second. I'm going to share my screen. All right, perfect. Really excited to be on this call and also super excited to be doing all the fun stuff. So like Kai mentioned, and for a lot of the folks on this call, this particular screen would be familiar. This is the form builder, which is where a bunch of folks spend a lot of time building their applications. As you'll see here, there is now a case management section right below where you enter details with question, and you can take a look at some of these different question types and see what it looks like. So I added one new question here just to show you how this works. If I clicked on the dropdown, CommCare now automatically generates this, and I can save this. And this is not just a UI update, it's all sort of connecting in the backend. So if I clicked on manage case, I can now see that this case property has been created here as well. And if I hopped into the data dictionary, I'd be able to see it in the data dictionary as well. And this is a good way to sort of keep a track of all the case properties that you might be adding to your application. Now, if I go back into the form builder for just a quick second, it not only allows you to do this, but if you looked at a question like this one, it also points out special cases. So here, for example, I have a question that is saving multiple properties. And from this screen itself, I can actually figure out what's going on. So this notification here tells me that it's updating multiple properties. I can go in and take a quick look and see what's happening there. And so you'll realize that I've got this saved as a name property as well as a separate household ID. So these kinds of features make it incredibly simple now and give back a lot of time to app builders, because you can do all of this from within the form builder instead of going back to the manage case screen each time you wanted to do any case management.